Hello, hello. Let me check my sound real quick. Okay, the sound is good. Back at it. Trading the same shit. Trading NASDAQ. Oh, we have possible. I did some pre-market trading and I did trade yesterday. This is also a different account because that demo account, like time the time ended. Like I'm trading on prop firms demo account, so I can trade with their set of rules, right? So I'm managing my risk and basically simulating what I will be doing in a couple of weeks to a month. So yeah, I traded yesterday. I had a pre-market setup here. Let me check. Okay, maybe we are going down. Let me see. Are we below? I think we are below it, right? I want to before I start the short, I want to see this. I want to see the open of the day because yesterday was a big day up. I want to see if the price rejects like at the open of the day. Yesterday I had I was trading a bit pre-market, so I entered here on like a double bottom on like it was trending before, right? So I entered here on a double bottom. I entered here above this candle, had my stop below here. Then once it broke off here, I put the stop to break even, and then here the US session open, and I took my first profits here, and I added a bit, and then I took my second profits here, and then I opened the position here, got stopped out for break even, and then after that I opened up here another one, and then I got stopped out also for a break even, and I didn't, obviously it was nighttime and I didn't trade anymore. Okay, we kind of pushed below it, big bear candle, right? Let's see if I can maybe try to interesting. I'm really not sure. Strong close. Looks like strong bearish close, but what I want to try to see here is what if I buy the close of this candle and have like you know, a little stop. That's what I'm gonna do. This was the close. That's what I'm gonna do. Why is my chart like that? Okay. And let me just put a stop below it. Not quite below it, but like a bit below. these lows. Okay, and let's see. What is that? It's 300 bucks. That's okay, stop. Let's see. Once the price goes in profit a bit, like around this area here, I am going to go break even. I could have also set a limit buy under the low of this candle. That's the first idea, at least for this trade. The idea behind it is, are we like yesterday's momentum, is it not going to continue at least a little bit? That's the idea. And then we check if the price action agrees with us or not. Well, I guess it doesn't agree with us, and if it goes below here, I'm gonna start to look for shorts, that's for sure. Or will you wait and try to short the first pullback? Oh wow. Holy. 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 It really does wanna go there. What the fuck is this? Okay. Well, definitely going in the shorts anytime soon. I mean, at this point, I don't know what the fuck. Yesterday was the same big bull open, immediately boom. Today, the opposite way. It has a mind of its own. But, it's a good. That's a good fucking breakout, bro. You get 3 bars like this. That's insane. You could also you can find an argument for both ways, right? Just touch the 50% pullback. I mean, it didn't really, the overall structure didn't really break anything yesterday. So I just need to watch and wait. I don't want to. It feels like I already entered. If I short here, I'm gonna be shorting a bottom. You know what I mean? Feels weird to short here. I know this looks kind of crazy, but I'm gonna buy here. I'm gonna buy here, and I'm gonna put my stop here, and if it fails, maybe then I'll short below of this close. I've seen it done worse things, to be honest. I have seen it do fucking crazy things. I've been trading for a good while. Go above here. If it goes above here, closes there, that's a positive sign for this position. put the stop here. I want the next candle to go below this one. That's for sure. And I'm gonna be adding a little bit on right around here, I would say. Hovering to close the position. Because if it starts falling like past half of the bar, I don't wanna hold it anymore. So I'd rather lose a bit less than lose a full position. And then probably I would start to go short below the bar. Okay, one more. The open. Okay, I'm out, and I am going short below this. Because like look at how it opened bearish and immediately it didn't even make a tick up. Okay, so that's not good. Let's see, and if this is the breakout, and we would obviously want to go for a measured move, that would be pretty good. Try to get some kind of stop in. 700 seems good. It's actually perfect. I'm gonna go a bit higher. Something like this. Yeah, looks good. Looks okay. Okay. I just have to sit on my hands for a bit and see what is up. Okay, we got tagged in. Now let's see if we get a second leg. In a push like this, it's possible that we get more than one leg down. Fall a bit more. Probably want to see a similar size bar like this. And then I'll put the stop here. Where is that? Oof. Okay. Damn, that's a big candle. How many points is that? Holy. It's dropped already 230 points. That's crazy. I mean, I'm getting all kinds of excitement for today. Just need to actually catch the move, and harder to say, easier to say than done. But I think the trader's equation here is okay. Like, I think I'm on the better side of probability here. So I'm gonna go like this. I want to add at least 2 lots, right? 2 lots are how many is that? Yeah, 2 lots. About 2 lots on this close here. There are news. What I need to check is one thing. I need to check one thing. Okay, so it's good. It's good. So what I was checking right now, if it's like a restricted event, then I would strictly close the positions, because that's against like the challenge rules to trade on the restricted event. You can do it on, I think, on the evaluation phase, but you just want to get into a habit where you don't want to be sitting out with positions open, which you shouldn't have open, right? So this one's gonna close about 40 seconds or so. I'm gonna short it right here. Da-da-da. yeah, so I'm gonna put stop here, and I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna put it down. So we are minimizing our risk. It's a big ass candle. It's crazy. Okay, this is the the first target. Basically, a measured move from here to here. So you measure it from the breakout. What did the job opening say? It hasn't updated yet, at least not on TradingView. I mean, I don't care really. I don't really give a shit. That's not how I trade. I trade price action mostly. Obviously, it's good to look at the. My first idea around how to exit this trade is I want to see what happens when it hits a measure move. If it just keeps plummeting, there's no real reason to close it immediately. I want to see, you know, what it does. If it just goes, I mean, look at this shit. It just keeps going. It keeps going. Holy shit! Those are some big it's like how much 300 points. I mean, it's not that much. Talking about where Nasdaq is at right now, it's 25,000. So it's not that crazy, but it's already been 340 points. That's a good day, you know, a good move, good moving day. Did it update? No. Interesting how the price is consolidating next to the measured move. Sometimes it doesn't quite reach the measured move and then it starts to bounce. Sometimes it makes one leg and then makes a second leg too. Usually there's 2 legs or 3 legs inside a move. Obviously the job for me is to capitalize on as much of it as I can. Okay. Okay. Interesting. I'm not gonna hold the bounce. I'm gonna sell more if there's bounce happening. I'm gonna lock this in if it goes like 50% of the last big bearish bar. I would assume it's gonna, if it's not gonna completely reverse today, I would say it's probably after 300 points down, it's probably gonna go a few hundred points more. It's gonna do it now immediately. I doubt it, but looking at the 1 hour, every time we had a big bullish or a big bearish bar like this, right? Like big ones. I'm talking about these kind of boys, right? This is a big boy, this is a big boy. Every time in the last how many recent trading days, right? Once we had a big boy, I had a big boy yesterday. We had some hours of, it wasn't the same side, but we had some follow through, right? Like here also we had a big boy, we had some follow through. Here we had a big boy as well, we had follow through. Even here on this bottom, it was kind of big-ish. It went back to touch the EMA. Where else we can see? We had a big boy here, and fall through. Right? Well, doesn't always happen, right? But it's likely that the next hour or so we're gonna see, maybe the next hour and then like maybe next 2 hours we're gonna see some kind of bearish type of movement. This one to break even. This one doesn't make sense to go break even, but I'm gonna do it anyways. I feel like I'm having much more success trading when I'm, you know, if I'm in. Very crucial close this candle is. The close is below it. I mean, I'm up 2 times risk at this point. I'm gonna, yeah, I want to do it. I caught a bit more than I would because I already got a smaller add-on here. I think it's reasonable because I took 2 times off from around the place that I should have taken off, and I can just wait for a bigger bounce, maybe up to this inside-outside bar formation, you know. It could obviously keep just going straight down. I don't catch all of it, but I know that I need to catch this amount to be consistent. And this is what I'm choosing to do. Because I never do it, and then I get greedy, and then I end up going breakout, like break even stopped out or small loss stopped out, and then I'm maybe tilted or whatever. So I'm just taking myself out of that situation where I could get emotional about not taking the profits when I kind of know that I need to take the profits at those types of levels. I can always jump back in with more. Obviously, I know some traders would not agree with that. I know that Tom Hooger trades really aggressively, like he likes to push the brakes, but I also know that like the way that his trading is structured, I don't think it would go along the rules of these types of funding challenges, right? Because here you need to be kind of really consistent. You can't have big days up. Like, I mean, you can obviously, but I want to make realistically, I know that's not possible because trading is random, but I want to have the probability to make consistent gains. you know, week over week, month over month, and then just scale them, and then later on go with my own live training account once I make profits from this type of trading, so I can go more aggressive and potentially push myself as a trader to higher levels, and obviously push my profits to different types of levels. So right now I'm just going to be patient. I'm going to wait for some kind of bounce, either up to the EMA or up to this area right here. I'm going to short again. Or possibly if I see some kind of good reversal pattern and good follow through too. Maybe we don't have good follow through after this bear bar and it reverses, because now we're hovering yesterday's bull breakout level, right? Like this was the breakout from yesterday. So it's better to see it on TradingView. Like this was the breakout of yesterday, and we're hovering this level. Maybe we stall and we reverse. You never know, right? So maybe yesterday's breakout, today we're retesting that zone, and if it holds today, possibly tomorrow we start to make a leg up, right? We made 2 legs down, and now we kind of went up. Here we didn't quite break those levels, but we need to check it out, right? I just want to see. Also, from this to this, at least what we see now, it's kind of slowing down the momentum, which is totally normal. It's more likely that the price enters some kind of bearish channel than it is for it to just keep nosediving. That's the higher probability. We just have to wait. And I think I'm gonna cut the stream here because I'm not gonna be actively trading. I'm gonna have my charts open on the side and do some more research. Maybe I don't trade more, right? So I'm just gonna be staring at the chart and recording it. And if I will trade, then I will cover it tomorrow or the day after what I did do. Okay.